Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, today also we will do any worksheet.
Today also we will do what?
Ma'am,
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, diagram and worksheet. Worksheet, ma'am, worksheet.
Which diagram? Which diagram you want to do? There is no diagram.
Ma'am, diagram. Not ma'am, diagram. We have completed, ma'am, worksheet. I think worksheet, ma'am.
Today we
Because, ma'am,
will start the
because
next
yesterday
chapter.
we do worksheet.
And today we'll start the next chapter.
No, we are not starting the next chapter, but we are going to do something very interesting. Now, what is that interesting thing? We are going to play a game.
Okay, ma'am.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. For that game, we don't need any copy, we don't need any pencil. Nothing.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, oral game.
No, it is not an oral game. It is. Okay, now let me see.
Ma'am, yesterday we have done.
Yes, now my face is clearly showing. Earlier it was being so tough. Okay, now what you have to do, see, I'll tell you, you have to guess a word. I will give you a word in the chat box. Okay, that will be a jumbled word. Arav Gupta, what are you doing? Huh? Arav Gupta? Whom are you waving to? Tell me. Arav Gupta and Shobit Gupta are playing, is it?
No, ma'am, I'm not playing. I am raising hand.
Arav was also raising hand and doing like this to somebody. Huh, Arav? Whom are you doing it to? Okay, anyways, now the game is, see, I'm going to type a word in the chat box. It will be in jumbled. Oh, yes, Shobit, say.
Ma'am, yesterday we have done worksheet fill in the blank. So, ma'am, my last fill in the blank is not completed. Please tell,
Okay.
ma'am.
What is the last sentence? Who will read out the last one?
Ma'am, I am reading. A person who is nominated for election is called a.
Now, who will tell? A person nominated for election is called a. What is the person called?
Candidates.
Yes.
Candidate.
He is called a candidate.
Candidate.
Any other confusion to any child?
Ma'am, in this game we will type
Yes,
the
ma'am.
answer in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we should send personally.
Answer of 13 one.
Read it out.
Ma'am, all voters are considered
Equal. All votes are considered same or equal.
Ma'am, what is the answer of 10th one?
Okay, what is the 10th one?
Private property belong to an.
Individual.
Ma'am, my query is solved.
And ma'am, what is the 15 one?
Read it out.
A person who noticed it.
Your voice is coming very low.
Is called
Your video is also
A person. Jasreena, what are you saying, beta? A person.
the person who is nominated for election is called a
Candidate.
candidate.
ma'am candidates. Ma'am candidates. Ma'am CA. Ma'am the CAN DI candidate Yes, dates, candidates.
A person is
Candidate.
called a candidate, not candidates.
Ma'am,
People are called
person who
candidates.
ma'am, a person who participate in election, participant participant is also called the candidate.
Any
Ma'am,
other
which
query?
page number? Ma'am, which page number?
Ma'am, today you play anything?
Yes. Today no page number. Close your books. Everyone close your books. No page number. Now we are playing a game today. If you let me play, okay, now wait. I don't know why I don't do this with you. This is what should be done in this class. Now everybody try to speak because this class speaks the most. Now, every time I begin with you people, I will do this only. Okay. Vamika is raising hand. Is it? No, Vamika is not raising her hand. Okay, fine. Now the game is I will type a word in the chat box in jumbled form. Okay, and you have to guess the word and unjumble it. What is the spelling of? Suppose say I type a word OCW. OCW. Now what is the word? You have to guess the word. You have to guess the correct spelling. So let me just type to everyone OCW. Does it make any sense? No, it does not. The correct one is COW, cow. So this is what you have to do. But I'm not going to give you words as simple as cow, dog and cat. The words will be like big words, rotation, or a word like revolution. Words related to the chapters we have covered so far in social studies. Is that fine? Show me a thumbs up if it's fine. Yashmit, now you're raising your hand. That means you have a query. Yes, you have to type the word in the chat box only. You have to send the answer to me personally. Apart from this, you have any query? Okay. Yes, Yashmit. You can unmute yourself, Peter.
Ma'am, I am saying please do the set. Ma'am, please do the settings. Type personally because everyone is doing to everyone.
Okay. So the settings, enable waiting. How do we do it? Allow participants to chat. Okay, I have to disable it. Now type. Everybody type. Now can you type it to everyone? It's fine now? The setting is fine? No? Okay. Now it's fine. Now you can type. Fine? Yes, ma'am. All right. Okay, the first word. Now, Varshita, what is your query? Yes, ask.
Ma'am, will let everyone chat with everyone again.
So how do we stop it? I don't know. I removed it and then Shore showed me a thumbs down. How do we do it? I don't know. Now you will suspend participant activities. Can I do this? No. Children, you will send your answers directly to me. Okay? Fine. Now nobody will speak. The first word is in the chat box. The word, okay, now see what is the word. Let me start with a simple one. unjumble the word and tell what it is. Oh my God, Arav Gupta. First one. Raina, you have sent the answer to everyone. Shaurya Tyagi, Akshada, Shalini, Vamika, Akhya, Pranav, Samarth, Bhavya. Very good, very good. Correct guess. The word was history. Now coming on to the second word. The second word, I think it should be little difficult. Okay, the second word is in the chat box. Now let me see who is the quickest, the fastest in guessing the word. No, Kanav Mittal. It is not correct. No, Kanav Mittal. Second guess also wrong. Okay. Now, first lifeline. Oh, very nice. Raina. Raina, don't send your answers to everyone. Now, you're the first one to answer and you have sent it to everyone. Okay, only Raina and Shaurya get a point in this one, this round. The word is discipline. What is the word? Discipline. Okay. Next word is already there in your chat box. Children, you can unmute yourself if you want.
Ma'am, the word is not coming.
Ma'am, what is word?
And there is no
The next word, see, have a look in your chat box.
there is no word in
There is a word, beta. There is a word. N-O-P-B-I.
Ma'am, I think inscriptions. Ma'am, no be sleeper.
Keep guessing, keep guessing. Oh, very close, Jaskaran, but this is still not correct. Very close. See what mistake you have made.
send it.
Yes, Kanav Mittal, Yashmit. Jaskaran is little wrong. Raina, very good. Very good, very good. Children, you still have a chance because the answers have come to me directly. None of the answer has been sent
Ma'am,
to everyone.
ma'am, I don't know the spelling.
It will be B-L-E in the end. Jasrina, good, but wrong spelling. You have guessed the word, but that means you don't know the spelling. Okay, the word is responsible. Responsible. Okay. Then the next word is a little difficult, but I'm sure you'll guess, all of you.
Ma'am, I have also sent you the. Ma'am, please send
Now this one, I think you will do it quickly, very quickly. Oh, Naisha Roy, the first one to send it. Samarth, Mokshit. Mokshit, but the spellings are little wrong, beta. Check your spelling. You guessed it correct. Kanav Mittal, very good.
Ma'am, can you tell the first word?
A, it starts with letter A. Varshita, wrong.
Ma'am, please tell last
Aksha,
word.
Aksha and Varshita are very close, but the wrong guess. It's a wrong guess. Arhan, Sanvi, correct answer.
Ma'am, what is last word?
Ma'am, you know, I know the word, what is that, but I cannot write it. I don't know the spelling.
Yeah, now see how important it is to learn the spellings of difficult words.
Ma'am, I also have sent Yashmit.
Okay, very nice. Akhya, Jaskaran, Arhan, Arav Gupta. Very close,
Ma'am, I
but
have
not
also-
correct. The
Ma'am, I
word
have
is archaeology. It's not archaeologists, it's not archaeological. The word is
Ma'am, I know the
archaeology.
word, but ma'am, I have also said
Yes,
so.
you didn't know the spelling. But then
Yes,
you didn't know
ma'am.
the spelling, so it is as good as not knowing the word. You get a 0.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
So now you should learn the importance of knowing the spelling. Ready for the next word?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta,
after
say.
these words, we can do a tongue twister.
Now, what is a tongue twister? How do we play tongue twister? Tell me.
Ma'am, you will say a big word with confusion, means some rhymings.
Okay,
Ma'am,
then.
you,
Yeah, I will
ma'am,
say
tongue twister, tongue.
Pakka papad,
We have to say
Yes,
continuously.
ma'am. I also know, but I
Exactly.
have a most little
So
a difficult
this
word.
activity will carry out on Saturday. Saturday is our playing game. Oh, sorry, playing day.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, please send this
Sending
next
beta.
word.
Sending.
word change.
The word is in the chat box. Everybody see. Let me see who does it.
Ma'am, what is
Excuse
ma'am?
me,
Can you tell
ma'am?
what is the first letter?
No, beta,
Ma'am,
don't,
this is-
don't ask for the hint. Oh my God, see, children have done it. Shaurya Tyagi.
Ma'am, this is
No,
related to
Shaurya
the
Tyagi,
next
it's
chapter.
wrong. Kanav Mittal, Varshita, wrong spellings again.
Ma'am,
You
this
get
is
the word,
related
but
to
you
which
write
chapter?
wrong spelling.
Ma'am,
Okay,
this
now
is
I'm
related-
giving you the hint. The word starts with letter L. Ashutosh, wrong spelling. Varshita, wrong spelling. Just Reena, very good. Keep it up. Sanvi, keep it up. Yashmit, very good. Yashmit, you've sent it twice. Samarth, very good. Shobit Gupta, wrong spelling, but correct guess. Bhavya, wrong spelling. Akshada, very good. Okay, the answer is literary. What is the spelling of literary? L-I-T-E-R-A-R-Y.
LITRARY.
R-A-R-Y.
Ma'am, L-I-T, lit, E-R-A-R-Y.
Very nice, very good.
LITRARY.
Now, the next word, next is a very easy one. Next word is very easy. I'm
Okay,
sure
ma'am.
all of you will do it. Don't take more than 5 seconds to send it. It is very easy. Very nice. Akhya Goyal, first. Samarth, Yashmit, Bhavya. Very good. And so on. Arav, Raina, Kanav, Shobit, one after the other. Mokshit, Sanvi. The word is citizen. What is the word? Citizen. Okay. Next word. Now let me see who can guess the next word.
The microphone.
And the children keep on sending to everyone.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Let me say. Let me see who does this one. This is a little difficult to crack. The word is easy but difficult to crack.
What is the first word?
No, I will not tell so soon. Just try.
And this is related to which chapter?
You want to have a lifeline? Only 2 lifelines per word
Yes,
are.
ma'am, I want a lifeline.
Okay. The lifeline is, oh, see, now no lifeline is required to Kanav. He has already answered. Kanav, open your camera. Where are you? Let me see you. Where is Kanav Mittal sitting? Kanav, open your camera. I want to see who is sitting with you. Who is helping you out?
Ma'am, I send you the answer.
No, Varshita, it's wrong. Kanav, you're disqualified from the game. You're not opening the camera. You're taking somebody's help. Okay. The first hint is, the first lifeline is, it is from chapter number 4. Kanav, who is helping you? Tell us. Huh? Somebody is helping you? Yes? He's smiling. See, somebody is
Ma'am, please
helping
tell
you.
it.
It is from, very nice, Naisha. Good guess. See, Naisha has answered. Chapter number 3, responsibilities of good citizen. No, Jaskaran, don't give up so soon. Okay, second lifeline. The word starts with letter E. See, Naman has also guessed it. Very good, Naman. Arav Gupta, don't say I gave up. So only 2 winners right now, Naisha and Naman. Very good. Akshada also guessed it. Akhya, wonderful. Now see, one after the other, when others can do, why can't you? Pranav, very good. It is a process by which, now guess, the definition goes something like, it is a process by which the citizens of a country choose their leaders. Yes, very good.
Election.
Mokshit, just now see, Jaskaran, who helped you out? Somebody helped you out?
No, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am, I
see,
can also.
yes, you did it all by yourself. Then why did you
Yes,
hurry
ma'am.
in? Then why did you hurry in saying that, ma'am, I can't, I give up? You said no?
Ma'am, I can't do. But you have said that the process. So I have
Okay,
to choose election.
all right. Okay. Next word. Ready for the next word?
Yes, ma'am. Ready.
Yes.
Now next word will be very easy.
Easy है लेकिन क्या है?
Okay.
Ma'am, please send next word.
Better wait. It takes a lot more time as compared to typing the correct spellings. Wrong spellings take a lot more time to get typed. Then, now it is an easy one. Wow, Mokshit, so quick. Yashmit, Jaskaran, very nice, very nice. Naisha, Samarth, Shaurik, Varshita. The answer is sculpture. It was two
Ma'am,
easy.
ma'am,
I
sculpture,
was writing the spelling.
Yes, very good.
ma'am, sculpture, ma'am, I can't pronounce it.
Sculptures, skull.
Sculpture are the bones of head.
No, beta. Sculptures are the idols, murtiyan.
Okay.
Paintings and sculptures.
Which were made by our ancestors.
Yes.
Double doesn't count.
Ma'am, I typed 2 times S. Ma'am, can I give one word?
Okay, you give one word. Now,
Ma'am, I have an
those who want to
autobiography.
give a word can give their word, but one by one, beta. One by one. Who is giving the word first?
Ma'am, may I give Arun?
Who asked me first?
May I give Bhavya?
Who asked me first?
Pranav
Okay,
Agrawal.
wait. Now I'll mute you.
Ma'am, Bhavya.
All of you are muted. Now be quiet. Who was the first one to ask? Ma'am, can I give a word? Only that person will give.
Ma'am, Pranav.
Pranav, give. Raina, have you given a word? Raise your hand. Where are you, Raina? Okay, Pranav's word is in the chat box. Pranav, is it related to social studies, the chapters we have done? Okay, Raina's word was spins. Very nice. Very good. Pranav is saying, no, ma'am, it is not related to social studies. The word is ensure. Pranav, is it ensure? Yes. Okay. Good. Now getting back to the game with the words of social studies only. Samarth, you have given equator. Ashutosh, you have given medieval. But medieval, you have typed wrong spellings, beta. Then Arav Gupta's word is, what is Arav Gupta's word? I can't guess. Who will guess? Timeline. Yashmit's word is timeline. And what is this word, Arav Gupta? I can't guess. Mokshit, how many times will you type spins? Why are you typing it again and again? Okay, children, now wait. Nobody is going to type in the chat box. I will only give you the words. This way it is becoming very confusing. Arav Gupta, please tell us what was your word.
Ma'am is like my word.
Yes, what was your word, Arav Gupta?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have to give one word, please, ma'am.
Don't do like this.
Please give my word.
Ma'am, the word was pending, but ma'am, I have not given the
Ma'am,
one
please
word.
give my word.
Ma'am, I have sent one word.
Okay, do one thing. Do one thing.
Ma'am, please give my word.
Do one thing. Send your word to me privately. I will give it to the class. Okay, let's make it a little managed and organized.
Ma'am, we all
Is that
sent.
fine? If you want to give any word, send it to me directly. Then I will give it to the class after making sure what the word is. Arav Gupta,
Okay,
tell
ma'am.
me your answer also so that I can check you have written all the alphabets correctly. You have not missed out any
ma'am.
alphabet.
Okay, ma'am.
Shaurya Tyagi, type your answer also, beta, so that I can check whether it is correct or not. Okay, so Arav Gupta's word I am typing in the chat box. Children, you have to type your words with their answers. Arav Gupta, where is your word gone? Okay, children, now see a word from me is coming to you that is sent by Arav Gupta. What is wrong? It's not coming. Okay, this is Arav Gupta's word. Where is the word now? Ha. I have sent a word to everyone. What is the word? No, Kanav Mittal. Spraining is no word. What is this? Spraining.
Now I'll send you one word.
Akshada has given the answer. The answer is sent by Akshada. Very good, Akshada. Children, you are busy sending your own words. Nobody is interested in answering. Samarth Singh, correct guess. Only Akshada and Samarth win this round.
Ma'am, please give my word.
Ma'am, please give my word. I have sent Arhan.
Wait, let me
Ma'am,
send the link for
I
the
have
next.
Ma'am, I have given a
Ma'am, please send the correct answer.
I have given a difficult word.
Ma'am, please
Ma'am,
send
it
your,
is
please.
so difficult. My one is so difficult,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
please see my word.
Ma'am, please send only your word.
Send my word.
Yes, I will send only my word now.
Ma'am, please
It
your
is becoming very confusing.
Ma'am, I have sent a very difficult word. Please send it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Chapter 4.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, can we play word chain?
I'm not playing any game, beta. I'm not playing any game. You people are not following the rules only. You want to do it yourself. Now here's the word in the chat box. Let me see who can guess.
Ma'am, it is your word.
Yes, it is my word. Ashutosh guessed it. Why? I know Ashutosh, why you could guess it. Very good, Pranav. You also guessed. Shobit, Kanav. Very nice.
Oh shit, yaar. Type क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा?
Naman. Very good. The answer is hemisphere. The answer is hemisphere.
Ma'am, I also guess it, but I can't type properly because my
Ma'am, please send
arrow
my
is
word.
another way.
Okay. Now, beta, all the words have gone up. I don't know where the words are.
Please send
I'm
my word.
typing the words from my choice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can I send my word?
Word, Ashutosh.
Beta, what word is this, Akshada? Akshada, you have sent a word. Okay, children, just try to solve this word. Just try to solve this word. This word has been sent by Akshada. What is the word? I'm not being able to guess it. Is it from social studies only, the 4 chapters we have done? Akshada?
Ma'am, it is from social studies, but not from that chapter.
Okay. All right. Akshada, outer core. Okay. Outer core is the answer. Beta, so send from the chapters, send the words from the chapters we've done now. Send those words.
Ma'am, please send your words only.
Okay, I will send now my words only. How many minutes are left? 4 minutes are left. 4 minutes are left. Now, children, next word. Just guess it. Hurry up. Hurry up and guess the next word.
Ma'am, can I type summer?
It's a very easy one. Hurry up and tell. My word is in the chat box. Nobody will type their words now. Any child who types it will be out of the game. Very good. Samarth, Kanav, they have guessed it. Arhan, very nice. Shaurya, Tyagi, Naisha. Good. So easy. It was so easy. Book. Okay. The next word is. Let me see who does it.
Saint. Ma'am, can I type summer?
This is also a very easy. Oh, it has gone to one child. Children, please let me do it. Now let's see how many of you can guess it. Has the word come to everyone? No, it hasn't. Okay. Guess the word.
Cosmetics.
No, Naisha Roy, it is not correct. Arhan, no.
This is related to which chapter?
It is related to the first chapter. Very nice. Samar, Varshitha, Kanav. It is some kind of a written record. What is it?
And I have typed one word.
Yes. Now see so many correct guesses. The word is manuscript. Okay, the next word. Now we have done so many words today, isn't it? Let me see. The word who will guess. DII. Oh. Why does it go to one person? I don't understand. I want to send it to everyone. Copy and paste. Okay, the word, see.
China.
Ma'am, that word is related to which chapter?
Very nice. Arhan did it. Very good.
morning, ma'am.
No. Shaurya
Ma'am, I have
wrong.
also
Samar
sent it.
correct. Yashmit correct. Samar correct. The answer is India.
Ma'am, I have also sent.
The answer is India.
Everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Beta, good morning. Okay.
Ma'am, now it is
Last word of the class. Last word for today. I hope the class doesn't get over. Okay, let me see. It is an easy one. It is an easy one. Very good. Naisha did it. Naisha, Arhan, Yuvraj, Arav, Akshada, Varshita, Ashutosh. Very nice. The answer is candidate.